This is a 2:1 amplifier circuit board. 2:1 amplifier circuit board. Now I am going to check it's original or not. All volume are separated. All volume are separated using the wire. It's very good to use any type of amplifier. Here is microphone and echo with echo. Microphone with echo. This is a microphone with echo circuit also have. Now this is a main volume with on off switch. Main volume with on off switch. This amplifier use TPA 31162. TPA 31162 IC. This is another volume. Now this is a switch for play button, play and previous and next switch. Play and previous and next 3 switch have. Play, push, previous and next. We can see the all volume are here. First two, this one is the frequency. This one is the frequency volume. Frequency for subwoofer, and this one is the subwoofer main volume. This one is the subwoofer main volume. And this is the travel for the surround. This is the bass for the surround speaker. Bass for the surround speaker, and this is the main volume. Main volume for all speaker together. This is the key. Play, push, previous, next. It's also with Bluetooth, and this one is the microphone circuit, also with the microphone circuit. This is maybe original IC. This is maybe original IC. Now I am going to check the IC. It's original or not. Need to open the screw. I am opening the screw. Here I use TPA 31162. TPA 31116. Yes, this is original IC. This is original IC. This is original IC. Okay, now I'm going to fix back the heatsink. I have to check this circuit. Tomorrow I will make another video to using this circuit to the 2:1 amplifier. I have one 2:1 portable sound box. I will use this circuit there. There is 3 speaker. 6-inch speaker has for the bass, 8-layer coil, and 4-inch speaker for surround, 4-layer coil. You can see right speaker positive, right speaker negative. Left speaker positive, left speaker negative, and this is USB port. Okay. Now I am going to check this circuit using this 3 speaker. I'm just checking. This is the surround speaker. I'm just checking. We can use 6-inch speaker for surround and 8-inch speaker for the bass. We can use 8-inch speaker for the bass because bass output can make 100 watt and surround output can make 50 watt, 50 plus 50 watt. Each channel got 50 watt and subwoofer got 100 watt. We can use 12 voltage to 24 voltage in this circuit. 12 voltage to 24 voltage in this circuit. It will be very good to use old laptop charger. old laptop charger is 19 voltage 4 ampere. 19 voltage 4 ampere. No need to use 24 voltage because 24 voltage is the maximum voltage to use in this circuit. For this case, I am not going to use 24 voltage. Now I am going to use 12 voltage only. This is the subwoofer output. Make sure the positive and negative. Make sure this positive and negative. This is the base speaker. Okay, now I'm going to check using Bluetooth. This is main volume. I'm using this 12 voltage only. 12 voltage. DC 12 voltage. DC 12 voltage. Now it's switching on. It's switching on. Now I have to connect with Bluetooth. Already connect the Bluetooth. Now I am playing song. I cannot play the song for the YouTube copyright issue. We can see only the bass cannot play. Bass output, there is no output in the bass. Surround output is okay, but bass output is not working. What's problem? Maybe volume, lose contact, anything. I have to check the main volume. This one also okay. This volume also okay. All volumes are okay. What is the problem? I have to find out. Give me some time. What is the problem? Checking the socket. Now speaker is working. When I'm touching the volume, that means maybe there are problem in volume. Sorry for that. I make mistake to take video. Here we can see one leg has not connected with the print. One leg has not connected with the print. Now I am going to soldering this leg. I have to solder with the PCB print. The volume one leg need to connect with the print. Look, now it's working. Now the subwoofer is working. Look, now it's okay. Now the subwoofer is okay, surround also okay. Don't be so sad. It's the company fault. It's no problem, it's normal things. Thank you for watching the video. If you want any type of amplifier diagram, please take the comment link. There are the lot of amplifier diagram link. This is Brother Electronics Maipoti Joshore. Brother Electronics Maipoti Joshore. Our number has in the comment link. There has my number in the comment. Thank you for the watching.